Have you been looking for a performance vehicle with styling that won't break the bank? Then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Dodge Challenger GT in triple nickel silver. With high-intensity discharge headlamps, a gloss black grille, 19-inch black noise wheels, power heated mirrors, a shark fin antenna, satin black rear spoiler, heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, only 7,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, a rear backup camera, dual zone automatic temperature control, sport mode, blind spot and cross path detection, power sunroof, powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5533.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.